She's the it girl, the one to know. Out of your dreams, she makes it known. She's A-list, but no one knows what I know, what I know. She'll chew you up and spit you out. She'll take your soul without a doubt. She'll break your heart, cause no one knows what I know, what I know. I know what she has to hide. She won't cut you deep inside. You should turn it on, cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. What's behind those blue eyes? What's behind those blue eyes? Turning heads and taking names, but in her mind it's all a game. She'll make you feel like you're the one, but you don't know what I know. I know what she's got for you. She will tear your world in two. You should turn it right, cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. I know what she has to hide. She will cut you deep inside. You should turn it right, cause you don't know what's behind those blue eyes. What's behind those blue eyes? What's behind those blue eyes?
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
To appreciate all that is vacant, it's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent, I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence, it's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, stuck inside, won't you set me free? Yeah, and getting drunk at night, won't you let me be? Yeah, step out there, you cannot defeat. Yeah, yeah, when it's gone too far, now it's quarantine. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm learning guitar, what we got the time. Gonna be 4 months till we gonna see the sign. Like a leave us without, let me share my doubts. When are we gonna leave with the dreams still young?
Top tours in the front line, and I got her even sometimes. Yeah, I got her playing online. If you talk first, count one times. Yeah, and I'm really feeling bad, I do. And I'm really, really mad at you. And we really got a badass crew, got a badass crew. Gonna see you soon. Yeah, we in a bad, bad mood. Yeah, stuck inside, won't you set me free? Yeah, and getting drunk at night, won't you let me be? Yeah, step out there, you cannot defeat. Yeah, yeah, when it's gone too far, now it's quarantine. Yeah, yeah.
Cause I'm sick of this and it's barely started. Felt like vacation till my girl departed. At least I can work so I can be regarded as the fucking best with the stars charted.
Yeah, I don't wanna feel like you, I don't wanna feel like you. Living my dreams come true, but my nightmares they prove.
Yeah, I don't wanna say that. Talking all about why is that, whose fault, yeah, I don't wanna play that. Forgive and forget, this is what you saw, yeah, I don't wanna pay back. I just wanna say all the frontline workers, look at what they gave back, yeah. Now we all square when I got new circles.
Stuck inside, won't you set me free? Yeah, and getting drunk at night, won't you let me be? Yeah, step out there, you cannot defeat. Yeah, yeah, when it's gone too far, now it's quarantine. Yeah.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.
But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential, I need a first class